Hi, Harper's Bazaar. I am Adria Arjona, and are you ready to go to bed with me? I usually have Palo Santo to kind of calm me down and just cleanse everything that I've gone through the day. But at night, I like to just kind of take my time and, I don't know, do my little skincare and do something for me. Oh God, that sounds so good. So that's usually what I do, and I always travel with one of these. So I'm gonna put my hair up, just because we don't want to mess all of this up. I have really curly hair, so if a drop of water gets on this straight hair, it's gonna go poof. So the first thing is first, kind of just put these on. I have these in so many different colors. Got them on Amazon. And one thing I've kind of started doing recently is double cleansing. I don't know how to pronounce this. Rouge? I don't know. But it's so good and it smells delicious. It's clean and it kind of smells like a little spa, and it's this little balm. I don't know if you can see. And I kind of just put this all over my face. I'm kind of messy when I do this, and this kind of just melts all the makeup. I like trying things out. I'm kind of really random when it comes to my skincare. I'll hear about something and I'll go out and I'll buy it and I'll try it and it'll be horrible for my skin. This is a really good discovery. It has like wild berries and it's like anti-inflammatory and stuff. So really just get in there. I use the face halos that I just got so dirty with this balm. These are reusable and I kind of love these. Okay, be right back. And I just kind of rub it with this little poof poof thing. And everything just kind of melts. And then I go in with this Hydrating Gentle Cleanser by La Roche-Posay. I really like this. It's really hydrating and it's good for sensitive skin. I don't really have sensitive skin, but I've been recently really struggling with mild rosacea, and it's kind of a bummer because there's not much you can do about it, but just be really gentle with your skin. And I have to always be putting makeup on, you know, if I have press or in a movie and stuff, and it really irritates my rosacea. I am that crazy lady with the infrared mask on the plane. Me. I am guilty. I don't care. But I need to take care of it now more than ever because I just can have rosacea flare-ups. God, it feels so good to kind of just let your skin breathe for a second. And I recently just found this serum by Biologique. Serum, ay Dios mío. It's a serum. I can't pronounce them. I'm sure if they were in Spanish, I would do a lot better. And this has niacinamide, so I found that anything with niacinamide is just so calming and just so good for my skin and for redness and for inflammation. So I kind of just put this on my nose. It's kind of really watery, so I just kind of dab it in. I sometimes put it all over my face. Right now I could see that this is a little red, so I'm just gonna go for it and just tap it all in. But niacinamide is probably my best friend right now. And I put that on before I put any other serum. So I do this hyaluronic acid. I sound like an idiot. From The Ordinary. I really like their stuff. And I kind of just dab this in. Really keeps my skin really hydrated. And I kind of just bring it down into my neck and my hands. I use this other serum that has just really nice peptides, and it's this regenerative serum. It's called the 8th Day. This is also one of the newer things that I've discovered. And again, I just kind of dab that all into my skin. And then I go in with just the Hydrating Floral essence. And I have I got it on Amazon, like a tiny little glass bottle that I put in my purse. And I just spray this on throughout the day. And it just keeps my skin really hydrated and glowy, and it makes my makeup look really fresh. So I love this stuff, love it. I travel with the smaller bottle, not with this big old thing. And then I just go in with moisturizer. I really like the Crema Nera by Armani. And I like it because it's also reusable. So you can just buy the interior part and it just creates less waste. And this cream is really rich, so if I'm in LA or traveling, this is probably what I'm wearing. But if I'm back home in Puerto Rico or in Guatemala, I will not use this because it's too rich for my skin and I might break out. This cream is amazing. I really, really love it. And again, I bring it down to my neck. And then I go in with the Giorgio Armani Crema Nera, the eye cream. I struggle big time with under eyes. You'll always see me with green patches in the morning, always. Just because I wake up really poofy. I have one of those faces that just wakes up at like 5 p.m. I do, you'll see it. Now that I'm telling you, you can see. I have like a sleepy face all day. 5 p.m., my face is ready to party. I usually just rely on Ivan Pol, who does a beauty sandwich, and he kind of does it really well. And I have to wash off for like a month if I do one of his facials. And then I'm gonna go in with my own little creation. It's this lip balm. It's a really bougie case that I found in this, I think, apothecary. And it came with a lip balm, but I really like the Burt's Bees, the minty one. So I took the Burt's Bees out of it and I put it in this. And it's a mess. It's kind of gross. Every time I open it, everyone's like, what is that? But it works for me. And I love it because it's just minty and I don't have to be either chewing gum or putting a mint. It just feels kind of nice. I wear this all the time. I am addicted to Burt's Bees. And then I have these little morning mint flavor, and it's just coconut oil and a little bit of mint. And I'm not gonna do this on my camera, but I tend to do this at night. I'll just check my emails and stuff. And then for hair, because I have curly hair and it's fairly thin, I would say, I just really like keeping it always really hydrated. So I have this rose oil, which I love, and I love how it smells. And I kind of just do a few pumps and put it just at the ends. Oh my God, it smells like bedtime. And when I have my curly hair, I do the exact same thing, and I just kind of sleep with it and cross my fingers that I don't wake up looking like a gremlin. You know, you just put a little bit of water and more oil and it's fine. I like it kind of wild and crazy. It's my little mask. I think that might be it. Well, that was my nighttime routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Now I'm gonna go to bed. Bye.